Lit code number 821, shortest distance to the character. This is easy question. Let's get into it. Given a string S and character C, return an array of integer representing the shortest distance from the character C in a string. Let's check with example 1. S is love lit code, C is E, and then output is this. Okay, let's brainstorming with this example. And then, okay, in this case we need to make the array the represent the shortest distance from the character C, right? So first, my approach is I will use 2 iterations, and then first iteration I will scan forward, and then second iteration I will scan the backward. So first I will make the counter and then initialize with INF, and then when I iteration first I will put counter and then increase the counter and then I will check if character is same as C, current character is same as C, I will reset counter is 0, because at that time is the distance must be 0, right? Did it make sense? So this one is I 0, and then next 1, and then reset to 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Now I will start from back end. I will listen counter INF, and then first is 0, and then I will compare this counter with let's say this one is output array is the current index, so 0 is 0 skip, next is count 1 and then compare. Now cursor is here, compare 1 to 4 smallest, and then update is the smallest one, and then now count is 2, and this one is 2, and then this one is count is 3. Just let them, because the stored data is the smaller, and then this is let them, and then at this time the count is reset to 0, and then this one reset to 0, and then 1 is the same, 2 is 1 is the smaller, and but 0, and then reset to 0. And then this time 1, 2, 3, and then finally the value is the same as output we're looking for. Did you make sense? Okay, let's implement the code. First I need the counter has value is infinity, and then next is I will make output array for first for I in range S, and then I will check if S character is same as C, I will reset counter to 0, otherwise I increase counter 1, and then finally I will put output append counter. Then there is one question. In this case, the first is the INF. It has INF value. But if we increase 1, is it okay? Sure, because infinity plus 1 also infinity. So it is okay. Okay, now we will do second iteration, reset count to float, and then this time I will scan the backward, then S minus 1 and to 0, and then decrease 1 by 1. Then if I will use the same code. And then finally I will do output is mean value. Output I with count. And then I will return output. Okay, let's check the code. After I count. Okay. Int object is not subscribable. Okay, looks good. Let's submit. In this time complex, there are 1 iteration, 2 iteration. So it takes linear time with constant space if we do not count output array. Thank you.